Imagine turning your car into a command center that responds to your lifestyle, where your dashboard not only displays maps but also tracks your vehicle's health, shows real-time weather, syncs with your smart home, and even lets you sing along with lyrics on screen. That's the power of Apple CarPlay and iOS 26. Apple's latest update has taken in-car technology to an entirely new level, introducing a wave of smart, dynamic, and customizable widgets designed to make driving safer, smarter, and far more personal. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just someone who loves convenience on the road, these new CarPlay widgets will completely change how you interact with your vehicle. So, let's dive into the ultimate list of the best iOS 26 CarPlay widgets you can install right now to redefine your driving experience forever. Apple has once again raised the bar for in-car innovation with the iOS 26 update, and this time, it's all about CarPlay widgets that completely transform your driving experience. Gone are the days when CarPlay was just about navigation and music. With iOS 26, Apple has turned your car's dashboard into an interactive, intelligent ecosystem that puts real-time information, safety, and convenience right at your fingertips. Let's explore how these new widgets redefine what it means to drive smart, starting with one of the most exciting additions, customizable dashboard widgets. Apple has finally given users the ability to personalize their CarPlay interface like never before. You can adjust backgrounds, change text styles, and even add car logos or your vehicle's model to make the layout truly your own. For the first time, drivers can decide what information matters most, from navigation shortcuts and battery levels to favorite playlists or weather updates, all neatly arranged within reach. It's not just aesthetic. It's functional personalization designed to keep you focused while driving. The standout feature here is simplicity. No complex menus, no hidden options, just pure intuitive control. Next up is Sidecar, one of the most advanced vehicle monitoring widgets available for iOS 26 CarPlay. Imagine seeing your car's real-time performance right from your dashboard. Fuel levels, tire pressure, engine health, and even OBD2 diagnostic data. All accessible at a glance. Whether you're planning a long road trip or just ensuring your daily commute goes smoothly, Sidecar helps you maintain your car's health effortlessly. This isn't just cool tech, it's proactive safety. By knowing what's going on under the hood, you can prevent small issues from turning into big, costly repairs. Apple's collaboration with major automotive partners ensures these integrations are accurate and reliable, giving drivers the peace of mind they deserve. Now, let's talk about something every driver deals with, the weather. The new Windy widget for CarPlay brings professional-grade meteorological data straight to your car. It's not just about checking if it'll rain. Windy gives you live radar maps, real-time storm tracking, and forecasts tailored specifically to your driving route. If you're heading into rough weather, the widget can alert you ahead of time, helping you choose safer, alternative routes. The integration is seamless. Just glance at your dashboard, and you'll instantly know what's happening around you. It's like having a personal weather station inside your car. Combine this with CarPlay's crisp visual interface, and staying ahead of changing conditions becomes second nature. For those who love music on the road, Apple has brought something truly engaging, the dynamic lyrics widget. Imagine jamming out to your favorite songs while real-time lyrics appear on your CarPlay display, perfectly synchronized. You can sing along safely without ever glancing down at your phone. Plus, the intuitive media controls make it easy to play, pause, or skip tracks with minimal distraction. This widget isn't just fun, it's functional, designed to enhance your audio experience while keeping your attention where it belongs, on the road. Now, for multitaskers and busy professionals, Apple introduces the Just Press Record widget. We've all had those moments. A great idea pops up during a drive, but it's unsafe to type it out. With this widget, you can record voice memos instantly, hands-free, and they automatically sync to your iPhone or iCloud. It's productivity at its safest, allowing you to stay creative and organized without ever taking your hands off the wheel. Another must-have widget for modern drivers is the Amazon widget, and this one's especially handy if you're constantly ordering online. With a quick glance, you can track packages in real time, check delivery statuses, and even browse trending deals, all within CarPlay. No need to pull over or use your phone. It's all right there on your dashboard. It's perfect for those who like to stay in the loop about their online shopping, especially during long commutes or delivery-heavy days. But let's not forget the essentials: time, battery, and connectivity. Enter the Chargemaster widget, inspired by the Apple Watch interface. It combines elegant design with essential data, displaying your iPhone's battery status, current time, and local weather all in one minimalist panel. For electric vehicle users, it can even sync with compatible charging stations to display your car's battery percentage, estimated range, and nearby chargers. This kind of convenience ensures you're always powered up and prepared, no matter how far your journey takes you. And now, perhaps the most futuristic addition to CarPlay yet: smart home integration through the Apple Home widget. This feature lets you control your connected devices right from your car. Imagine pulling into your driveway and tapping your dashboard to open your garage door, unlock your front door, or even adjust your thermostat, so your home is perfectly comfortable by the time you step inside. It's like bringing your entire smart home ecosystem on the road with you. Apple's focus on privacy ensures all commands are encrypted and secure, so your home remains protected while being ultra convenient. Now, these widgets don't just add function, they redefine form. The new CarPlay design under iOS 26 spreads seamlessly across your dashboard, utilizing every inch of display real estate your vehicle offers. Some cars, like the latest BMW and Mercedes models, even support multi-screen CarPlay layouts, showing maps on one screen and widgets on another. It's futuristic, functional, and stunningly intuitive. Apple's dedication to driver safety is clear here. Each widget has been designed with minimal distractions and maximum clarity. Large icons, legible fonts, and adaptive brightness mean everything stays visible and accessible, whether you're driving in daylight or at night. What truly sets iOS 26 CarPlay apart is its third-party widget support. Developers can now create their own custom widgets that integrate seamlessly into the CarPlay dashboard. This means apps like Spotify, Waze, and Google Maps can design widgets tailored for quick use. Even productivity tools like Notion or Todoist might soon offer CarPlay widgets for organizing your day while you drive. Apple is finally opening the ecosystem just enough to empower innovation while maintaining its high safety and privacy standards. For anyone who drives daily, this is a massive win. You can now tailor your CarPlay experience not just to your car, but to you. From color schemes and fonts to widget placement and data preferences, the control is entirely yours. The potential is limitless. Whether you're a road trip enthusiast, a commuter, or a tech junkie, these widgets make driving feel like an extension of your digital lifestyle. Apple's goal with iOS 26 CarPlay is simple: make your car smarter without making it distracting. Every widget is optimized for clarity and responsiveness, ensuring that even quick glances deliver the information you need. And here's something even more exciting. Apple is rumored to be testing AI-driven widgets that adapt automatically based on your habits. For example, CarPlay could suggest a fuel widget when you're low on gas, or show a weather radar widget if a storm is approaching your location. It's a glimpse into the future where your car anticipates your needs before you even ask. This blend of artificial intelligence, design, and real-time data makes iOS 26's CarPlay ecosystem not just an update, but a revolution in the way we drive. Now, here's my recommendation. If you haven't updated your iPhone to iOS 26 yet, do it now and explore these widgets immediately. Customize your dashboard, test out Sidecar, Windy, Dynamic Lyrics, and Apple Home, and see how each one fits your lifestyle. These tools don't just make driving smarter, they make it yours. Apple has once again proven that technology isn't just about innovation. It's about improving daily life, one feature at a time. So, if you want your next drive to feel futuristic, safe, and personalized, iOS 26 CarPlay is your ticket there. Don't forget to subscribe, because here at TechVerse, we bring you the latest updates, hidden features, and insider tech news that keep you ahead of the curve. You're watching TechVerse, where technology meets discovery. See you in the next one.